Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopperguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two slow cooker brands will be going head to head. We have the Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. Slow cookers are not just great for cooking stews and tough cuts of meat, but they're also great for everything from overnight oats to authentic Indian curries. In fact, some slow cookers also step it up when it comes to special features. Some can steam meat and vegetables, make rice, sauté, and even stir the food for you. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top contenders, the Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedshopperguide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other slow cookers that we reviewed, do check out our slow cooker review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these slow cookers will be going toe-to-toe with is their material and build quality. One good indicator that a slow cooker is of great quality is its material and build quality. With an appliance such as this, good material and solid construction should be of the utmost importance since you're going to leave it working for extended periods of time. It's also worth mentioning that some materials may require seasoning before use, so it's best to read the manufacturer's manual before using the slow cooker. The Elite Gourmet uses aluminum for its body, but it has a stainless steel color and finish. The polish is excellent and smooth, so it adds some style to your kitchen. The Crock-Pot Slow Cooker, on the other hand, has a stainless steel material and color. They also both have glass lids that keep heat and moisture from getting out. Where the Crock-Pot unit shines, however, is in its locking lid, which provides an extra seal. In terms of shape and build quality, the two slow cookers are very similar. The Crock-Pot Slow Cooker's locking lid mechanism, however, earns it 1 point for this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their capacity. The key to getting good results with a slow cooker is to have it at least half its capacity before starting. Most slow cooker recipes are meant for the average size slow cooker, which is about 6 quarts. This is the size that we would recommend for a starter slow cooker. However, if you feel like you want to double the food capacity and cook for a crowd, then we recommend going even bigger. The Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker is an extra-large stoneware pot with a capacity of 8.5 quarts. Its oval shape allows you to cook extra-large amounts of meat slowly, ensuring there's always plenty to go around. The Crock-Pot Slow Cooker measures at a smaller capacity of 6 quarts, which is sufficient enough to feed a family of 3 to 5. With a bigger capacity, the Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker is more versatile as it can feed a large party or a small family with lots of leftovers to spare. It earns this category's 1 point. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their cooking performance. Inevitably, a slow cooker's true worth lives and dies by its cooking performance. Most slow cookers have both high and low temperature cooking settings, but some have a warming function that holds foods warm at a lower temperature. The warming function is great for keeping foods at a warm but not piping hot temperature for parties. Additionally, we would like to highlight that some slow cookers also have built-in timers that automatically switch to the warm setting once done. The Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker offers a versatile low to high and keep warm settings for cooking your food to perfection. On top of that, it's programmable for up to 20 hours of slow cooking, so you can't just set it and forget it while you entertain your guests. The Crock-Pot unit, just like its competition, allows you to customize your cooking time and temperature by setting the timer for up to 20 hours in the high, low, or warm settings. It's hard to spot any significant difference between these two slow cookers when it comes to their heating functions and cooking performance. They're both very great in their own right. However, if we were to nitpick, the Elite Gourmet's larger capacity means it takes longer to get up to heat. For this reason, we'll be giving this round to the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of use and cleaning. Messy kitchen never makes a good impression on guests, so we recommend investing in a slow cooker that's easy to clean as it's to use. This allows you to have more time to relax and entertain your guests while you leave all the cooking to your slow cooker. Intuitive design is also important when choosing a slow cooker. After all, what's the use of a good slow cooker if you can't operate it properly? The Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker's dishwasher-safe ceramic inner pot and glass lid make cleaning a cinch. As for the Crock-Pot unit, both its glass lid and its stoneware inner pot are dishwasher safe. Both also exhibit digital control touchpads, which are very easy to understand and use. Without a doubt, even a kitchen newbie will know how to get this slow cooker working properly. As far as slow cookers go, both the Elite Gourmet Pro and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker are very much the same in terms of their ease of use and cleaning. We will call it a tie for this category since no substantial difference can be seen between the two, and so the score still lies at 2-1 in favor of the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their unique features. For a tight race such as this one between the Elite Gourmet and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker, we'll have to dig deeper to find out which is the better unit. For this reason, we'll be looking at the unique features that each slow cooker possesses. It's only then that we can weigh these features and decide which slow cooker wins the category. The Elite Gourmet Pro has cool touch handles that protect your hands from burns and allows for easy transport from the kitchen to the dinner table. The Crock-Pot Slow Cooker, as mentioned in an earlier category, has an easy locking gasket lid which provides additional sealing so you can expect fewer leakages and mess from the slow cooker. Additionally, it also has oversized handles so you can easily move the slow cooker around without it sliding. For its extremely helpful locking gasket lid, we're going to award the final point to the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. Considering that it also has oversized handles, it makes transporting the slow cooker very safe and reliable without spills, leaks, and slips. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of soundbars between the Elite Gourmet Pro and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker with a final tally of 3-1. The Crock-Pot Slow Cooker decisively wins this battle. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these slow cookers offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker and the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next slow cooker face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.